Hello guys, welcome back to this video. My name is Emmanuel, and right here I'll be teaching you how to use your indicators to make precise decisions when trading on Binance. Okay, now the very first thing you want to do, if you are using your smartphone, head over here on your Chrome browser, click on these three icons here, and then toggle on this desktop site so that you can be on your desktop version mode. Okay, having done that, now the next step is actually what? To ensure you're on your trading view. You can see here we have original, we have trading view, and we have depth, right? Good, but ensure you are what? On trading view. Now the next step is actually what? To toggle here on your indicators. After doing that, you simply just type super trend indicator. That's the first one we'll be what? Working with. Now you activate it. Good. Now we can see here that the super trend indicator is live and ready to be used, but we cannot use this indicator alone. Okay, this indicator cannot be used alone. In other words, if you use this indicator alone, you'll be making what? Tons and tons of losses. Now the next thing you want to do is actually what? To install or to activate another indicator called the moving average exponential. So you come here, you say moving average exponential. Very good. So you can see now we have another what? Indicator on ground. Now we're going to edit this indicator right now. We'll click here, and then we'll click on the settings icon there for the moving average exponential, and we'll change the settings. Okay, from style we'll change it to yellow. Increase the opacity and make it thicker. Okay, and then on inputs we'll move the length from 9 to what? Let's say 100 is okay, so it will give us a clearer overview. Okay, so now we just tap on what? Okay. Good. You can see now that our chart is looking finer, right? Good. So one more indicator we need to add. This is a momentum based indicator. We'll add it. It's called the Bollinger band. Just follow me as I move. Good. The Bollinger band has been what? Activated. So we can also edit the Bollinger band and make. Good. We can edit the Bollinger band and make the mod here, which is the standard deviation. We can set here to be 3. Okay, and we'll just click on OK. Okay, so now you see we have 3. You see right here we have about 3 indicators plotted on our graph. Okay, on our charts rather. So now, how do you use this indicator? Now I'm going to show you a simple hack. You can see the moving average here, which is the yellow line, which we plotted at about 100 at length, which is the moving average. Now when the price is actually below the moving average and the indicator gives you a signal to sell, ensure you would sell and taking your profit. That means place a short position. Okay, I'm scrolling now and I'm looking for a position where that happened. Okay, and if okay, this is good, this is very good, we can make do of this. You can see here, let me make it very clear. Good. You can see now at this point, the indicator is what? Pointing downwards, telling you to sell at this particular point. This means that there is a trend about to start. There's a downward trend about to start because it is what? Breaking below this what? Moving average. ensure it breaks below the moving average before you enter a position. So at this point, it's telling you to what? Sell, that a new trend is what? About to begin. You can see here, a new trend is going downwards before it what? Bounces up again. So if you start your trade at this particular point, let's say you start your trade at this point here, and then set your take profit at this position, you'll be in some good profits. Okay, so now let's look for a place where you have your buy position and where you can actually take a long position from. Now if you are taking a long position, right, if you are taking a long position, you actually need to what? Wait, let the price move above this moving average. Okay, let it move above the yellow line, and then the indicator shows you that you need to buy, showing you a green arrow pointing upwards. That's to tell you that a new trend is about to start in an upward direction. And you know the rule of trading is to what? Trade alongside the market. Don't try to trade against the market, at least for your level now as a beginner. Don't try to what? Trade above, or rather against the market. Let me quickly change the time frame here and put it on 15, and let me just see if I can show you what it is I'm talking about. Okay, but on your own you have to retest it for a couple of period. Good, you can see here, you can see the 15 minutes time frame. You can see the arrow is pointing upwards, telling you that a trend is about to start. Okay, if you followed my Bollinger Band tutorials, you will know why I said we should plot a Bollinger Band in this chart. Okay, I'm not going to go into details for that now. I'm just going to tell you what you need to know about this. Okay, so you can see the trend here is just starting. So if you start a position here, and let's say you start it here at this price of about I think this should be 38,026, about this position, and then set your take profit here. Don't be too greedy. Set your take profit here at 38,990. If you are leveraging with 5x, that is going to be some huge profit. Now ensure you put your stop loss just here, just beneath what? Put your stop loss beneath this green angle here. Okay, your stop loss should be about 37,684. Okay, put it here around this region where you see the arrow. Just put your stop loss there, and I ensure you, if you do this consistently, you're going to be making steady profits. Okay, this is fact. This is 99.5% guaranteed, provided you wait for the arrows to what? Indicate you to buy above the what? Moving average. And if you are taking a sell position, which is a short position, ensure the price goes below the moving average exponential, which is the yellow line. All right, doing this, you're going to make consistent profits in the long term. So cheers, guys.